So Xiaomi has a new phone that has been released in their Redmi Note series. This is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6. I currently have the Redmi Note 6 Pro, but the process will be the same for any other devices released in the Redmi Note 6 series. And today I want to show you how to unlock the bootloader of your device. So first of all, you're going to need to go ahead and create a Xiaomi Mi account if you haven't done so already. For those who have not done this before, follow the instructions in the full tutorial on my website, which will be linked in the description of this video, as I'll have links to how to do that, how to enable developer mode, and a lot of other things that you may not know how to do. I break them out in step-by-step instructions to make it completely easy for anyone who's curious. So once you have your Xiaomi Mi account created, and you're likely going to need to verify that, we're going to go ahead and open up the settings application. We're going to scroll down a bit until we get to the accounts section, and we're going to tap on the Mi account option. And from here we're going to go ahead and log into our Mi account. Once you log into your account, you're going to see a couple toggles there with an apply option. Make sure that those two toggles are on and that you enable those two options. If not, if you're like me and I tap the back button, we can still go back into our Mi account, tap our Mi Cloud option, and we need to make sure that the sync option is turned on. Not only that, but we're also going to need to turn on the Find Device option. And again, it's going to ask you to enter your password just so that Xiaomi knows that you are the person who owns this device and you are the person who is in control of the account. Once you have enabled the Find Device option and logged into your account yet again, it's going to give you some instructions to let you know that you can go to i.me.com to locate, lock, or restore our device. Now that you can see Mi Cloud is synced and the Find Device option is on, from here we're going to need to enable developer mode, which I believe I have already done. And again, if you're not familiar with how to do this, then follow the step-by-step instructions on my website, as I include links to tell you how to do each and every one of these more broad options. Like, a lot of people know how to enable developer mode, but some people don't. So if you're not familiar, go to the website and follow those step-by-step instructions. So from here we're going to go in and check on the Mi Unlock status option. It's going to ask us if we want to grant permission. So of course we're going to tap agree. And then yet again, we're going to need to add our account to this device. So as you know by now, on Xiaomi phones we have to wait a certain period of time before we can unlock the bootloader with the Mi Unlock application. For the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro, I was told that I needed to wait 720 hours, which equated to 30 days Now I also have a Mi Mix 3 sitting here, and when I tried to unlock it when I first got it, I was told I needed to wait 360 hours, so that would be 15 days. I'm not sure why Xiaomi is putting this long of a wait period on these devices. 3 days like they're doing with the Poco F1 phone makes somewhat sense. 15 days is a bit much. 30 days is definitely too long. But now, finally, I have waited more than 30 days since I have tried to unlock and requested the unlock for the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro. So now we're going to go through this process. As you've been following through all of these steps up until now, we're going to open up the Mi Unlock application. We're going to sign into our Mi account. It's going to tell us that our phone is not connected. So to do that, we need to turn it off, and then we need to press and hold the volume down and power buttons at the same time so that we can boot up into Fastboot Mode, also known as Bootloader mode. If you're not familiar with how to do this, I have a video linked in the full tutorial on my website that's in this full tutorial so that you can walk through it, the whole process step by step with me, just in case you're not familiar with how to do that. Now that I have entered Fastboot mode on my Xiaomi phone, I have connected the USB cable from my PC to the phone. So then, of course, the Mi Unlock program detects that it is now connected. We're going to click the unlock button. It's going to give us this warning and a wait period just to make sure that you know unlocking the phone is going to erase all of the data we have on our device. We're going to click unlock anyway, and another one is going to pop up. It's going to, I guess, try to scare you a bit, but it's just a fair warning that unlocking the device could make it easier for you to be targeted with malware, such that in case of like a security update that you're no longer getting because you've installed a custom ROM that is not getting updated properly, or for whatever reason, they just want you to know of the risks that are involved in unlocking the Xiaomi phone. Click unlock. It's going to verify the device. That's done. Then it's going to unlock the device because we have waited the appropriate amount of time. And then it's just going to say done. We are going to see our Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro reboot. And it's going to go through the erasing process. No, I did not have to click that reboot phone button at all. It rebooted on its own. And then I saw a little line progress meter down toward the bottom that told me that, you know, that indicated to me that the phone was being reset. Then the phone rebooted by itself again. And since it has gone through a factory reset process, this first boot cycle is going to take a little bit longer than normal because Android and Miui has to set itself back up again. All we have to do is be patient during this first boot cycle. Unless you factory reset the phone again later, you're not going to have to wait for this type of long boot cycle whenever you reboot the phone. Again, this is just because Android and MIUI is having to set itself back up again. And just as we would expect, we are brought to the MIUI activation screen. We are told that the device is unlocked. And then we need to both connect to Wi-Fi and activate the device by logging into our Mi account before we can continue. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And once I have connected the phone to my local Wi-Fi network and I've put in my password to my Mi account, I am shown the regular MIUI activation screen. And then it's going to ask me to log into Google. So I'm going to go through and do all this and get us back to the home screen so I can show you that the phone is actually unlocked. So we are back at the home screen. I've logged into my Google account, gone through the initial setup process. We're going to get all those annoying things as well. We're just going to activate developer mode. Go to developer options, and just as we should expect, the bootloader is finally unlocked on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro after a 30-day wait period.